Cap 26 here just disappears in hobbies, and we're going to change the wiper in the X1 carbon. And you want to get this tool right here. Take the 3 connections on the back and remove them, the tube and the 2 wires, the power and the connection to the printer off. And be careful, put them aside. The top glass off. Move the gantry to the front of the machine, and down there will be working. Well, that wiper is a screw. It's a hex nut. I'm going to remove it. It's a 2mm Allen wrench driver. Press fits on very easily. And that's the video for today. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. God bless you, and please rate, subscribe, and give a thumbs up.